not a game, it's a roasting.
Click on Create New. Create your workspace with this canvas size. Drag your image to Photoshop. Remove the background. Press Ctrl T to scale and adjust. Reduce the opacity to get a better view on where to place it. Choose the magic wand tool and click once. Right-click, choose Similar. Choose this layer and rasterize. Then press Delete on your computer. Press Ctrl D to deselect. Select this layer thumbnail and choose Select Pixel. Then go to Select and choose Inverse. Pick the hand-run brush and follow this process. Now let's work on the background. Input this color code. Create a new layer and follow this process. This is it. I hope you like it.